Alright, y'all, we're going to be opening a few more packs today of the Donruss Elite. Let's see if we can get something crazy here. Come on. Come on, man. I've yet to get anything really worthwhile on these cards, and they're always backwards every other card. Oh, what do we got here, my friends? Let's see. Okay. Commanders. Actually, Daryl Green. Okay, not bad. Let's see what we can. Yep, basically, flip these fast. Persons. Comics. Alright, we'll open up one more. Alright. So, see what we got here, boys. Okay, it's a rookie card. Chargers. Okay. Oh, Marion Hampton. Okay. It's at $9.99. Not bad. All right, guys. We got 3 more packs. We'll open that tomorrow, and let's see what else we can get.